In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a debit or credit card to your Wise account. Whether you're planning to use it for making seamless transfers or simply want it saved for future transactions, this guide will walk you through the entire process with ease. First, let's start with using your debit or credit card as a payment method when you want to transfer money. Begin by setting up your transfer. As you fill in the details, such as the amount and the recipient's information, you'll reach the checkout phase where you'll decide how you're going to pay for the transfer. Here, you will have the chance to add a new card. Carefully enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and the CVV code. After completing these fields, confirm the information to proceed with the payment. Once confirmed, your card will not only process the transaction, but will also be automatically saved to your list of payment methods for future use. It's a convenient way to handle transfers if you frequently use different cards. Alternatively, if you prefer to add a card directly into your Wise account without having to make a transaction right away, you can do so by going to your profile. To get there, log into your Wise account and locate your profile icon, typically found at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option labeled Payment Methods. This section conveniently stores all your saved payment methods in one place. Once you're in the Payment Methods section, look for an option to add a new debit or credit card. It'll prompt you to input your card details, very much like you did during the checkout process. Enter your card number, expiration date, and CVV code accurately. Double-check your entries to ensure there are no mistakes, as any discrepancies might prevent your card from being added. If everything looks good, proceed to save the card to your profile. Having your card saved in your Wise account means that whenever you need to make a transfer, you'll be able to select it quickly without manually inputting the details every time. This method streamlines your payment process and, with Wise's secure systems, ensures that your financial information is well protected. In summary, you have two straightforward ways to add a card to Wise, either during a transfer or directly via your profile. Both methods are user-friendly and designed to save you time and effort. Thanks to these options, managing international transactions becomes a hassle-free experience, right from the comfort of your computer or smartphone. I hope this tutorial has helped you feel more confident in managing your payment methods with Wise. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.